Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about The Old Man and the Sea. The Old Man and the Sea is written by Ernest Miller Hemingway. He was an American journalist, novelist, short story writer, and sportsman. His another work, The Torrents of the Spring, The Sun Also Rises, A Farewell to Arms, To Have and Have Not, For Whom the Bell Tolls, Across the River and Into the Trees, The Old Man and the Sea, Adventures of a Young Man, Islands in the Stream, The Garden of Eden. The Old Man and the Sea is novella, means short novel. It was written in 1951 in Cuba, published in 1952. It was the last major work. Genre literary fiction. So, let's start. Novel. First line. He was an old man who fished alone in a skiff in the Gulf Stream, and he had gone 84 days now without taking a fish. The Old Man and the Sea was awarded the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction in 1953 and then awarding of Nobel Prize in Literature to Hemingway in 1954. The story opens with Santiago having gone 84 days without catching a fish. So he believes that he is so unlucky. But he is too much brave, adventurous, patient, confident. Even if he can't catch a fish, he doesn't get frustrated. Here, another character, Manolin. He is present only in the beginning and at the end of the novel. He wishes to entrust his skill as a fisherman. His means Santiago. And he learns how to catch fish. And he is devoted apprentice and friend. Manolin helps the old man take care and cook food. Discusses the latest development in American baseball, especially the trials of the old man's hero, Joe DiMaggio. On the 85th day, he goes to venturing into the Gulf Stream. At noon, a big fish, which he knows a marlin. The old man expertly hooks the fish, but he cannot pull it in. Instead, the fish begins to pull the boat. You think about it. The fish has so much strength that it pulled the whole boat upside down. But the old fisherman didn't give up. Through 2 day and night struggle, he manages to bring the fish to shore tied to boat, and he is success for his goal. But on the way, the sharks crash into the marlin. And you know about it. Shark is too much big, and only skeleton of the marlin. All flesh eaten by sharks and small fish. Then old man who comes ashore with empty hands. But he doesn't disappointed, and sleep. And sea dreams. In the morning, he will go to the sea and catches fish. And this novel motto is a man can be destroyed but not defeated. Last line in the novel, up the road in his sake, the old man was sleeping again. He was still sleeping on his face, and the boy was sitting by him, watching him. The old man was dreaming about the lions. First line and last line in the novel are too much important for UGC net. That's why I remember. And I was discussing about this novel UGC net point of view. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.